My name is Chef Roshara Sanders, also known as Chef Ro, and I am originally from Bridgeport, Connecticut. I've always been in the culinary industry professionally since high school. I went to a vocational high school where I studied culinary, and my instructor was a Culinary Institute of America alumni. I just thought that, joining the military would be the fastest way and the cheapest way, if you will, to get to the school that I've always dreamed of going to. I did 6 years, 4 years active duty, and I did 2 years reserve. I did my time in Iraq, I did my time in Afghanistan, and then once I came back, I was stationed in Fort Carson, Colorado, and then I get finally to the best school in the world. I was able to use the GI Bill to pay a full ride. After I graduated, top of my class, I get a call from the Food Network, and it's chopped. We're doing a veterans competition. We think you'll be a good fit. I compete just to honor all my fallen comrades. I've lost 10 soldiers in Afghanistan. Once I came back from Afghanistan, I lost my roommate in Colorado. So I just wanted to pay so much respect because these people have laid their life down for me to even be able to go to college, for me to be able to even be asked by the Food Network. And I don't know how I pulled it off, but I am so proud that I was able to become the champion at the Food Network's Chopped Veterans Competition. If you're a veteran, no matter if you've been to war, if you're not, if you suffer from PTSD or if you don't. I've lost soldiers to suicide. 22 soldiers a day commit suicide in our country. And as a chef, I just have found food as my therapy, food as my outlet, food as a way to be free. So I just want to show people that there's other ways to survive. If you hire a vet, if you're friends with a vet, if you associate with a vet, you got a good person on your side. We're hardworking, we're dedicated, we're fast learners, we communicate well, and we're great team players. And I feel like as veterans, we know how to motivate, we know how to build up and be strong and get the job done.